Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos. 164 tuned cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection. It's a Choro Hankyu Railway train series of 9,000 and 9,100. Uh, it's a type 2 set guys. So, and what else? It's a rail track toy. It's need track or railings, guys. Uh, just like the Plarail of Tomica. Anyway, guys, this is a Choro release. Excuse. Standard size. And one of my collection, guys. As I will show you guys, it has a side rails. This is the puller, guys.
Yes.
The one with the pullback mechanism.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, guys, in the front, it has a detailed. I think it's a headlight. And this one, guys, I don't know what is this. And embossed. This one, guys, they are embossed. And this one, this headlight, guys, it's a flash mount. But in the side, guys, as you can see, the windows, it's all printed, guys, in the plastic. So it's not decal. Then on the top, guys, it's detailed also. At the back, guys, it's only plain with this one. And then, guys, with the small rubber on the big wheels of for the track. And at the bottom, guys, as you can see, it has a logo of Choro Takara Ltd. But it sucks. It's only made in Japan, guys. China, guys. So this is a late release, I think. It's not a vintage. And it's a bigger size than the Choro guys. Okay. Then this is the I may call it pulley. This is the one at the back of the puller with the mechanism, guys, the pullback mechanism. Okay. Also, guys, in this is a flash mount design. And this upper part, guys, and the window of the door. Then the headlight, guys. It's also a flash mount detailed. Then at the side, guys, still what do you call this? Printed decal, guys, in the plastic. Then this one, guys, has no pullback mechanism engine. Okay. So this one, guys, is a set without box. I bought it as a loose, but in very, very good condition. It's in very good condition. I don't know. The engine it's a little bit noisy, but it has no damage. I think the train Choro guys, It has a noisy engine, noisy pullback mechanism, guys. But in great condition without damage. And in detail, guys. Even though at the upper part, guys, at the bottom, the this one, guys, has no logo or any Choro Q markings. But they are the same, guys. It's a set. Again, guys, this is a standard size. It's Choro Q Hankyu Railway series of 9,000 and 9,100, guys. As you can see, for the Plarail Choro Q, this is a standard size. And it's better to use this with the truck or railway truck, guys, because of the wheels. And this, what do you call this? Side wheels, I think. Anyway, guys, hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro Q videos. That's it. Bye.